Hi there, and welcome to This Mom Can. My name is Sheila, and as a busy mom juggling a million things every day, I know how challenging it can be to put a healthy, delicious meal on the table. And that is why I created this channel to share simple, fast, and nutritious recipes that are perfect for busy moms like me and for everyone looking to whip up a quick, flavorful dish for their families or themselves. This is for you. Today, I'm excited to share one of my go-to meals, a plate that's not only satisfying, but also packed with a variety of nutrition. Let's dive in. No sleep, 'cause if you do, then you dream nightmares, but I'll be there for everything. To kick things off, I poured some oil into my pan and prepared my white onions. I love using white onions for their slightly sweet flavor, and as they sizzled and softened in the pan, the aroma instantly filled my kitchen. Next, I added some chili pepper for a bit of heat and stirred in 2 cans of tomatoes. Using canned tomatoes saves so much time, no chopping needed. I let the tomatoes cook down to remove their sourness and deepen the flavor. Now comes the fun part, seasoning. I started with a sprinkle of Chinese salt and chili pepper spice, then added ginger, garlic, and all-purpose seasoning. At this stage, you can adjust your spices to your taste. I stirred everything together and let it simmer until it thickened beautifully. With the sauce ready, I cracked 4 eggs directly into the pan. Instead of beating the eggs, I gently folded them into the tomato mixture to keep them nice and lumpy. Then I covered the pan and let the egg cook to perfection. While the sauce was bubbling away, I moved on to prepare my Indomie noodles. I used 2 packs, added the seasoning that comes with it, and poured in some water. It's so quick. It only takes about 3 to 4 minutes to cook. To make the Indomie extra special, I decided to add crispy bacon. My daughter joined in to help me cut it up. It's always a great idea to get the kids involved in the kitchen. It's a fun way to bond and teach them some cooking skills. Thank you, darling. You're welcome. Now back to the sauce. It was looking amazing. The eggs had set, so I gave everything a gentle stir to ensure all sides of the eggs are cooked evenly. Then I added some filleted mackerel and a handful of fresh carrots for a touch of sweetness and crunch. The sauce was now ready to go. To finish off the Indomie, I heated a little butter in a pan and sauteed the bacon until it was crispy and golden. Then I added some chopped onions and carrots for extra flavor before tossing in the cooked noodles. Everything came together beautifully and the final dish looked so vibrant and inviting.
You go. I know you're scared sometimes. Don't know if you're wrong or right. You've been doing things you never thought you'd do. Taking it day by day. It seems like you lost your
And there you have it, an easy, wholesome meal that is as delicious as it's quick to make. We've got fluffy rice, savory Indomie noodles with crispy bacon, creamy avocado, roasted chicken, and a rich tomato-based egg and mackerel stew. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with other busy moms, and subscribe to This Mom Can for more simple, fast, and nutritious recipes. Let's keep inspiring each other to create amazing meals, even on our busiest days. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!
let you go. I know you're scared sometimes. Don't know if you